You don't need to be rich to start investing. You just need to start. The safest place to begin is with knowledge. Learn before you risk any money. Start with a high-interest savings account. It's not flashy, but it keeps your money safe and earns a bit of interest. Next, look at GICs. Guaranteed investment certificates. They lock in your money for a set time and give you a fixed return. No surprises. Use a TFSA if you're in Canada. You can save and invest without paying taxes on your gains. It's flexible and safe for beginners. Consider government bonds. They're backed by the government, so risk is very low. Returns are modest but predictable. Look at low-fee index ETFs. They track the market and don't try to beat it. They spread your money across hundreds of companies, reducing risk. Set a budget. Invest only what you can afford to leave untouched. Avoid using borrowed money to invest. Use dollar-cost averaging. Invest a small amount on a regular schedule. This avoids buying all at once and reduces stress about market timing. Stay diversified. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Mix different sectors and types of assets. This protects you if one area goes down. Avoid hype. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stick to proven strategies. Keep an emergency fund. Before investing, have money set aside for 3 to 6 months of expenses. This prevents panic selling during tough times. Understand inflation. Even safe investments need to grow at least as fast as inflation to preserve your buying power. Start with goals. Why are you investing? A home? Retirement? Travel? Knowing your goal helps shape your strategy. Reinvest what you earn, whether it's interest or dividends. Let it grow more over time. Compounding is powerful. Use tools like robo-advisors. They offer automated, low-risk investment strategies based on your comfort level. Stay patient. Real investing is not about quick gains. It's about long-term growth and peace of mind. Learn continuously. Read, watch, ask questions. The more you know, the safer and smarter your choices become. Subscribe if you want more simple, safe ideas that build wealth over time.